Hello everyone, my name is Rastik Bindra and today I'm going to present my assignment on Marketplace Assistive Technology. I have chosen Remember the Milk app, which is one of the tools for task management. Now, what is Remember the Milk? Have you ever experienced managing tasks is something that compels you to pull out your hair? Oh, mine does. Remember the Milk is the smart to-do app for busy people. Get your task out of your head, stop thinking about your deadlines, and let the app remember for you. Remember the Milk is the app for the modern day, which means it can easily sync with day-to-day tools and accounts like Gmail, iOS, and Android. A little bit about the app. In 2004, two people from Australia kept on forgetting things. So they thought, what can be done to make the task more organized and keep them remembered? So they came up with the plan and coded furiously for a year and launched the app in October 2005. This app is available on various platforms such as iOS, all web-based, BlackBerry 10, and Android. Now let's start with the tour. You can sign up for free for this app. It's as easy as signing up for any of the apps you use. Since I've already created my login, so I'm gonna start to jump in right away. This is your home page. Let us start by making a task. For example, I want to make a task regarding my e-portfolio. I can name it as e-portfolio. As you can see, there are many tags that have opened below it. For example, when is the due date? Let's say the due date is in 1 week. So I'll select December 12th. When do I want to start it? I want to start it today. Is it my high priority task or no? Since I have so much time, I have 1 week's time to do it. So I'll say I put it as my priority number 2. Do I want this task to repeat? No, because it's just one assignment. So I would say no repeat. I want to add the location since it is related to my course at Sheridan. So I'll write at Sheridan. How much time do I want to spend on this task? 45 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes, no estimate, or I want to customize it. So I'll say I want to contribute 45 minutes for this. Here is an option to tag many new contacts. Is it my individual assignment? Is it a group assignment? So if it is an individual assignment, I won't tag anyone. But if it is a group assignment, I can type the email address of all the people participating in it and then adding them. One thing to note here is before we add someone and before somebody gets a notification, they should have also signed up for the app. As you can see, a task has been created and on the right hand side, there is description of the task. Now let's say I find out that the due date is not on Saturday 12th December, it's on Friday 11th December. So I can edit it with the use of a calendar picker, which will help me to put a correct date and time and edit it. It's so easy, ain't it? Now next, the settings. Let us go to account settings. Here is the reminder setting. Let's say I wanted to remind me 5 minutes before I start the task so that I can wind up the ongoing thing and prepare myself for the task that has been lined up. And do I want it to remind me sometime before the task is due? A definite yes, because I want to go through it one more time to make the last minute changes before I submit the task. My contact preferences. Would I want to receive the notification via emails or I want to receive them via my SMS or Google Hangouts or Yahoo Messenger or Skype. So there are so many options to choose from. The next thing, adding contacts. Adding contacts is as easy as adding contacts in our mobile phone. For example, you add the email address of your family members, your colleagues, your classmates, your teacher, and everyone would be added in your contacts. Next thing, the lists. As you can see, you can categorize your task according to your personal work or the thing that requires attention for doing it personally or as a group. For example, here is my list for grocery. This is my personal task. So I have categorized it into personal. This is a notification bar. The bell icon says that you will receive a notification if someone has assigned you a task. For example, if my husband gives me a task for grocery, he can create a task and send me a notification. Then it's up to me that whether I want to accept it or not. If I accept it, the sender will get a notification that the task has been assigned and accepted by me. Now the purpose and the age group it is meant for. The purpose of this app is task management and creating a to-do list and setting the reminders for the upcoming tasks. The age group. App can be helpful to both parents and kids, and anyone who is 13 years older can use it. Cost. It's a free version which comes with all the basic features. But let us talk about the pro version. If you want to upgrade it to pro version, you have to pay $39.99 per year. But this comes with so many benefits. You can upgrade it by breaking it down with subtasks. You can unlimited share. You can color your tags, advanced sorting, and main is that you can get it synced with your Apple Watch. How can it be used in the educational setting? In the classroom, this app can be used as a starting point for practical life skills on organizing that students can take with them beyond high school. Students can create subjects-based lists and keep track of their assignments. Students can add their group leaders or teacher can assign their tasks. There can be easy reminders for the assignment submissions and class schedules, upcoming events. The easy-to-use user interface allows teachers and students to focus on prioritizing time and categorizing items within a system. Now the pros and cons. As I've already said, the pros are very user-friendly. It is very easy to manage tasks within it. The connectivity to other apps and the compatibility is quite great. Assigning tasks to others is good, and it is supported on many platforms. Let us talk about the cons now. The pro features come with a price. Yes, you have to fish out money from your pocket if you want to upgrade your app. There are no location-based reminders. And setting a time-based reminder is not that straightforward. You need to spend some time to explore the app. Seeing all the features it provides and seeing how this easily connects with all the modern apps, I would definitely recommend using it. Though all the fancy features are there in the paid version, but the basic one is also good enough. As you can see, the name is quite catchy, Remember the Milk. So you should always remember that milk is an important part of our life. As the developers say, they kept on forgetting their milk, so that is why how they came with the name. You can explore the app, you can categorize them, you can put tasks in it. Since in our educational setting as well, there are assignments that have been lined up, there are quizzes, there are Padlets, there are Flipgrids, so you can use them to categorize. And please ask me questions if you have any problem, if you come across anything that I have missed. Thank you and have a nice day.